There's a computer trouble in North Massachusetts. It's at 8 a.m. Good morning, everybody. It's 7 hours. Morning is tracker data shows oil tanker seized by U.S. headed away from Venezuela. Kristi Noem defends Trump immigration policy before departed early for hearing. Trump defies GOP critics by signing unofficial order threatening states over AI laws. Second grand jury refused to indict New York Attorney General Tia James. Boston braces for porch pirates in 2025 holiday season. Former Boston Police School's teacher pleads guilty of child exploitation. Boston sued by Judicial Watch for withholding public records tied to Mayor Wu's pro-immigration rally. Flu cases still spiking rapidly as winter exposes more public health concerns. Killing the penny was just a start as Trump is rewriting the rules on America's coins. Measles outbreak in South Carolina is accelerated as cases surge nationwide. Carrying country's military martyrs. Tsunami advisory is shooting up after 6.7 strikes off northern Japan. EU disperses 638 trench to Kiev. Military exercises are currently reporting U.S. forces in Korea, commander said. The United States has reaffirmed its commitment to provide extended deterrence to South Korea during its first meeting of the key nuclear deterrence body, officials said Friday. The State Department has offered a $5 million reward for information leading to the arrest conviction of Francisco Manuel Ramirez Cagret, alleged leader of the Ecuador Los Chones cartel. Condition of wounded National Guardsmen and removed from proven. Trump says he pardoned Tina Petty. Congress says it's invalid. In Stonehill College, Chuck Cogan describes his first and last true crime book. And Scott Farina Brockton hosts a free adaptive skating for people with disabilities. Take a look at stocks now, up 646.26 at 48.70, 4.01. S&P 500 up 14.32 at 69.01, and Nasdaq at 60.30 at 23,593.85. And now, looking at the sports scene in NFL football. On Thursday Night Football, the Falcons beat the Tampa Bay Buccaneers 29-28. And in NBA action, Celtics fall to the Milwaukee Bucks 116-101. Knox Pelicans over the Portland Trail Blazers 143-120. Denver Nuggets 136-105. And Houston Rockets over the LA Clippers 115-113. And AHL action, Boston Bruins beat the Winnipeg Jets 6-3. And AHL action, San Jose Sharks 3, Toronto Maple Leafs 2 overtime. Tampa Bay Lightning 8, New Jersey Devils 4, New York Islanders 5, and next 2, Vegas Golden Knights 3, Philadelphia Flyers 2, and overtime, Carolina Hurricanes 3, Western Capitals 2, the Jackets 3, Montreal UIN 75, Virginia Tech 96, Carolina 74. Appalachian State 67, Eastern Carolina 54, Iowa State 66, Iowa 62, Missouri 85, Akron State 77, Syracuse 71, St. Joe's 63. Women's college basketball 88, Lipscomb 45, Ohio State 94, North Kentucky 62, West Virginia 82, Georgia Tech 50, Notre Dame 97, Moreland 48. It's Butler 101. Indiana State 56. And Oklahoma 103. Little Rock 48. Todd Bowles back to the excusable for lost fallen players. And Vaughn 41 earns first World Cup title and wins it starting the 18th. LSU is given set to return to Ole Miss on September 19th. Pitts and Chops Committee with a rare 3-touchdown night. More expected court party remains in custody. Prince Stamkos enjoys second career 4th goal game. Fans left FIFA patrol over World Cup ticket prices and Paul. Meet the visitors boxers avoid list. And tonight I got the North Lancers boys basketball home opener against the Seahawks Warriors. Go Lancers! Beer chill news time. 8:06, 22 degrees. MBTA Redline delays about 25 minutes to do a stable trade near Harvard Street. Squares trade space data by its goods. Fairmount Line trade 1618 730 from Wheatmills operated 50 minutes passing between Martin Street and South Station due to a mechanical issue. Fishman Line train 410 715 from Wachusett operated 5 minutes passing between Wachusett and North Station. West Line train 519 730 from South Station operated 25 minutes passing between South Station and Worcester to the mechanical issue. And Province Line train 820 702 from Workman Junction operating 5 minutes passing between Workman Junction and South Station. And gonna take a look. $95 stop outside. Up around the protected stretch, around the Providence 28 a little bit, so the break split between Spectre by the Derby between the Hingham area, Summer Expressway, 7 go between West Spectre and the Dorchester Stretch, 7 Expressway, back to the Dorchester Stretch, and 93 stop by the Little Sword, Woodward Stretch, and 90 northbound back streets, 93 stop by 7 build out of Boston, Route 1, stop by the Little Sword, down, and West Spectre, westbound Little Sword, the Lord, and stop by eastbound Little Sword, the Newton Quarter, 1 way to the northbound side, back between Woodward down to Redden, Route 3 stop by the back of the Bill Record Stretch, 29 eastbound also around Woodward, 46 to the Wood down to Worcester. 84 eastbound also before I-9 with a Harvard Connecticut. 91's back for Newton Stretch. Merritt Parkway, stop go between Bridgeport all the way to down Stafford and 95. Stop it also at Stafford Connecticut area. And Northern New England Highways are looking good. Peter, chill news time. 8:08, 22 degrees. At start off for weather. And it's going to be a dry and cold day in Tapas. Plus, cold weather persists today. Winds will wish tonight. Saturday, rain, cold, moving. Low pressure Saturday for Saturday will bring the potential of a few inches of snow stop at night. Mass back with luckily over this snow will fall. Sun will change with significantly milder temperatures out. Likely for Wednesday, especially by Thursday, with the highs may break 50 in spots. Very cold wind chills early this morning between 0 and 10 above and briefly below 0 the point of the high trade. As high today range from the upper 20s of the high trade to low to mid 30s elsewhere. Wind has been canceled. The strongest of the winds have been coming to end, but they'll still be windy. Today, wind chills this morning will be the 0 to 10 above range and briefly below 0 to the high straight. Expect the wind to come up a bit this morning with 3 little mixed in the low level trend of 40-50 knots considered over the regions gust of 35 miles per hour. Still expect today with a few got up to 40 miles the highs will range over the upper trades to the high trade to the low to mid 30s elsewhere. Forecast goes like this. Set copy today, 33 degrees, and then what's it about 13 to 16 miles highs. 32 miles for tonight. Close got over 20 degrees. What's it about 5 to 10 miles for Saturday. English got about 39 degrees. Light southwest wind equals to 5 to 10 miles in the morning. Saturday night. Snow Bay after 2 a.m. Low at 36 degrees. Light southwest wind. Chest base is 8%. New snow accumulation less than 11 possible. Cincinnati got about 33, low 19 degrees, and western wind about 5 to 7 miles for Monday. Park South got about 42 low 29 degrees, and south was about 6 to 10 miles highs. 23 miles for Thursday. Park South got about 50 degrees, and south was about 6 to 8 miles highs. 21 miles right now. Not temperature steady at 22 degrees. The first guys, and that's been it for the Peter Cello Morning News on this Friday morning, 7/12/2025. I'm Peter G. Wiggins. Say, come on, my thank you. Stay safe, be my be well. Have a good day, and good morning.